Hey guys, welcome back to Little C's Garage. In this video we are going to install a fuel shutoff on my lawnmower. It's going to be a quick fix. It keeps sucking the fuel out of the tank and into the block. I know the carburetor just probably needs rebuilt, but since I got this laying around the house, this is what we're going to put in here for the time being to fix that issue until I get a carburetor kit ordered for it. So if you guys would, please like and subscribe, hit the thumbs up, hit the bell, share it with your worst enemies or best friends, your mom, your dad. I don't really care, but everything helps, and we're on the track to 200 subscribers. So if you could help me out with that, it would be greatly appreciated. I love making these videos, and it's fun. It gives me something to do, keeps me occupied. Maybe I can teach somebody something. I learn a lot doing it myself. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll get this installed. Alright, so I bought this kit a while back. It's been sitting in the garage forever. This is not what I bought it for. I honestly found it, I think at a yard sale or somewhere, for like $1. Figured maybe one day I might need it. And today's the day. But I'm sure you can get them pretty much anywhere. I'm not really sure exactly where it came from, but it comes with this, the hose, the clamps. We won't be using the hose. I'm just going to cut the hose that's on it, put this in there. I have my spare hose laying around. Just need some type of cutters, cut the hose, some pliers, and if all you have is just a shutoff, then you can use just regular hose clamps. It's not pressure fed, it's gravity fed, so it's not like it's pulling a lot of fuel through there. So hopefully this goes in there. If this line ends up being too big, then I guess we're changing the line, but I think we're going to be okay. It looks pretty much the same. Alright, so the tank is empty already, so we ain't got to worry about that. Just going to have to worry about losing it, making a mess, any fuel. So on this, you can see, should have an arrow somewhere, I think. Yeah. Has an arrow for which way the fuel goes. So we're just going to take this off. We're just going to put it probably right in here somewhere. Looks like a good spot. And there's a little bit of fuel still left in the line. Guess we didn't think about that part. Jam that up there. Find the arrow. Arrow's facing that way. A little hose clamper doodle on here. Up there. Goes this way. Nice tight fit. And then shorten this down just a little bit. Another clamp on this side. And there we go. Simple as that. Quick little, I don't know, 2-minute fix. Done it in real time. So if you guys ever have this issue and you're not very familiar with rebuilding carburetors, the tractor runs fine. It runs perfectly fine. It's just when you shut it off, it keeps gravity feeding or siphon feeding, whatever it's doing. And I put more oil changes on this thing in the last month than it's had its whole life. So just a quick little on, off, off, on, off, and she should be good to go, at least till we get a carburetor kit. So if you guys liked it, you guys like seeing me do this stuff, like I said, please like and subscribe. Share it with people if you would. I appreciate everybody that watches these videos, and stay tuned, and I'm sure we'll find something else to do out here in the garage. And so have a good one. You guys have a good weekend, good holidays coming up, and we'll see you in the next one.